Do you feel any like tight spots? Or is it tight in general?
It's a little tight, not really.
Okay.
Look at it go.
Yeah.
I do hear some clunking in there, like when you turn it.
You know, I think you were right. Like, I think I heard some right before you dropped the socket.
Once I get it moving, I can...
Oh, yeah, something sounds weird. Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we tore down Blue's original engine, and we see that two of the connecting rod caps are very black, and then the others are kind of the normal, like, oily looking color. So it looks like they got really hot from a lot of heat because of spun bearings, and that's a lot of play, and also a lot of play. That was definitely the bottom end knocking noise we heard. And I don't know how well you can see on camera. Yeah, there we go. Some metal flakes in the oil pickup screen.
You're too late. He's dead.